like you ain't leaving. It's my birthday with the cake. Fuck it up and let me eat it.
Everybody please move. Birthday girl coming through. Birthday girl coming through. Go.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking on this video. So this vlog is going to be all about me, my birthday photo shoot. So right now I'm done with my nails, my toenails, and I'm also done with washing my hair. So first things first, I'm going for my wig install. Then after that, I'm taking you guys to the place where I'm going to do my birthday photo shoot. So stick around to see more.
Unajua vile Mungu ametufanyia, vile ametutetea, akisitungepotea, akisitungepotea. Lo 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 lo, ay 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 ay.
Misina mwingine misina, jamani wasawoza sina, lakini sasa ni mwisho dhambi sina. Lo 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 lo, ay 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 ay.
Nataka niwajibu aje mnaponiuliza eti nimefanikiwaje, japo nishawaambia ni Yesu. Akisigetuki Yesu, simi ndo nawaambia ni Yesu. Yesu mia kwa mia.
After my wig installation, I headed over to the photo shoot studio where my sister gave me a nice face beat. By the way, she does an amazing job with makeup. If you're looking to go to any event, any occasion, she'll deliver to the fullest. I trust her in this.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Eh, eh. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Eh, eh. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Oh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that love.
Who's that girl? Oh, it's me.
Said she flirted with her boyfriend, but she him up money and bling, so she go there. She needs more food for the sky. Sex price getting higher. Come on, money she be wider. Oh, scarring life she desire. So come the prostitution.
Today's the day I celebrate myself. With love and joy, I'll fill my heart shelf. Another year, another chance to grow, to chase my dreams and let my true self show. Happy birthday stars align. I'll make a wish.
Guys, I just finished my shoot. It was a long, tiresome one, but worth it. Hi guys. Hope you're all well. This is another day. Yesterday was a really tiresome day from my shoot. So today I'm going out with a friend of mine just for a brunch. So stick around to see more. Guys, I'm already here. I've kept her waiting. I'm really late, but finally I'm here. So we're going to hang out, have girls thing, and then call it a night. This is my outfit, a cute simple dress with these shoes. Oh, let me move somewhere. These cute shoes. I feel like a princess. So guys, I finally met up with my friend. To me. So guys, we're done. Hi guys, it's my birthday.
Oh, yeah. Another year, it's your big day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Le. Kata keki, kata keki, keki.
Time to thrive. Happy birthday, you're a star. Blow those candles, here you are. Dance and sing, it's all for you.
Keki mlishe, mlishe keki, mlishe keki ale, mlishe birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
It's all for you. The world's brighter 'cause of what you do.
Hi guys. So guys, before you get confused, I did my photo shoot earlier on November, and right now it's December. I've already celebrated my birthday, but the only thing remaining is celebrating my birthday party. So I just want to do another wig install. I already did my nails. I don't know why each time I do my nails I forget to vlog. So I already did my nails. The only thing I'm remaining with is the hair. I have these cornrows, and then after that I'll take you guys with me. So guys, we have arrived at Jumeirah with my friend over here. We're about to take some cool pictures, have our girl time, enjoy our time here, because you know what, it's still my birthday month. Let's Karma.
Let's come.
The Let's Karma.
Simply don't make it change.
The Let's Karma.
Make her.
It's just the one to have fun.
Happy birthday to you, Carolina, Alexis, Magna, Yolanda. Happy birthday to you.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. 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 You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch.